Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir and I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 2 in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This location is connected to the main MG road. Once again, this is also connected with the Cyber City and the NH8, and this takes you to Golf Course Road as well. Today we're on a plot size of 215 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. This is an ultra luxurious property that we are here to shoot. Let's get started. जहाँ पर हम इस समय खड़े हैं, this is the formal living space of the house. This will also be considered as the dining area, क्योंकि इधर में आप living space कर सकते हैं bifurcate, इधर में आप dining area कर सकते हैं, because this has an open kitchen right opposite to me. On the right hand side you'll see this is an artistic wall, थोड़ा सा इधर ACP का डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. Then you have got lightning work done here. This is looking beautiful. On the top you'll see this is a small ceiling border which is given. यहाँ पर VRV systems लगाए हुए हैं अंदर में, और सारा का सारा air conditioning system is all done by the VRVs. You talk about the ceiling, this has a very beautiful ceiling design followed by a chandelier and a damn nice fan that I see on the ceiling. We've got 2 chandeliers out there. इसमें lightning का काम अच्छा करा हुआ है काफ़ी. On the surface, when you talk about, this is an Italian flooring on the surface. This is also connected with the balcony at the left side, which is the front of the house. This also has a mesh door. This is the balcony area. In the balcony, when we come and see, बहुत अच्छा एक व्यू मिलता है, अच्छा नज़ारा मिलता है. ऊपर में सारा टेक्सचर्ड है, और इधर में आपका इंजीनियर्ड वुड शीट्स दिया हुआ है. This is again a granite top on the surface. You've got a natural stone. This is all wooden work done here. This is a tap given here. This is also a drainage vessel, so this is considered as a wet area. The kind of quality which has been used in this house is ultra luxury. So ये possibly आपका aluminium sliding door है. Please come. So once we enter inside the formal living space, on the right hand side you'll see this is a plain wall. इधर में आप सोफ़ा वगैरह अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. And you talk about the switches जो इसमें दिए हुए हैं. These are all sensor. See, these are all sensor switches. इधर से आप चालू करेंगे लाइट चालू हो जाएगा, बंद करेंगे बंद हो जाएगा. This was the formal living space. Now possibly we're in the passage area. That's your foyer area. This is the first bedroom of the house. It's a quite huge bedroom size, which is compact. On the left hand side you'll see a thick wallpaper. These are all engineered wood sheets, designer sheets हैं. Italian on the surface. The false ceiling design stays to be rectangular. A small ceiling design has been given there on the ceiling. Lights वगैरह बहुत अच्छी हैं. You talk about your closet. This is your closet area. सारा का सारा सेंसर से ऑपरेटेड है. You've got the cabinetries down there as well. You've got the partitions there. Now this also has the air conditioning system, again VRV installed. You've got small lights there on the wall. This is the washroom space. This is commonly shared with the powder room as well. All marble work done. White marble has been installed here. This is a glass which is given to you to look yourself every single day, so that you can visualize where you will be reaching in your life. All marble work done. This is a small glass channel given here. This has a door. This is going to be the shower area. This is the rain head, and ये जो सारी की सारी fittings है आपकी gravit की है. It's a beautiful design given out here. This is a small partition, 1 level above the surface. A natural stone. This is an Italian stone. This is for your cabinetries, mornings kit रखने के लिए. You've got a nice quality door. Wall mount seat. Again, you've got this by Hafel. This side is the exhaust. This one is the fan, which is going to give you a breather. This is the balcony of the house, which is commonly shared with the living space. Same balcony, nothing has changed. ऐसे आप plants लगा सकते हो. अरिका palm लगा हुआ है, अच्छा beautiful लग रहा है. Nothing has changed. Everything is same, but the design on the ceiling has a little change. ये सारा का सारा wood लगाया हुआ, engineered wood. So let's cover up the second bedroom of the house. This is from where you will go slowly and gradually. Before we cover up this, let me show you the powder room. Will look like the same that I've showed you with the first bedroom, because this is interconnected with the first bedroom of the house. This is your passage area. Here you enter the second bedroom. A small cornice, a floating shelf has been given towards this way. इधर देखेंगे आप पूरा का पूरा लकड़ी का काम हुआ हुआ है. This is an engineered wood. You've got a nice design on the ceiling. Once you enter inside the second bedroom, you will see a huge space given to you. The natural light is flowing it from the back side as well. Designed wall. This is all, I guess, it's a different material which is used there. This wall stays to be empty. You can place your bed accordingly as per your convenience. This is an Italian on the surface. You talk about the air conditioning system, you've got the VRV. This is the balcony which is connected to the back side. This is the back side view of the balcony. आसपास की surroundings एक बार दिखा दीजिए. ये पूरा का पूरा आपको fencing दिया हुआ है for your safety, and you've got a geyser, you've got a wet area with a drainage vessel. There is no compromise done with the quality. This is the washroom of the house. Once you enter inside the washroom, you'll see all, this is all natural stone on the surface. You've got the marble here for the vanity. A beautiful vanity, a round shaped vanity has been given here. You've got the cabinets down there, a wall mount commode seat. Again, you've got a channel out here, but ये ऐसे नहीं खुलता. इधर से आप खोल के you can get inside this. एक छोटा सा washroom, एक shower area आपको दिया हुआ है. This has a rain head, again a fan on the ceiling. All fittings are done by Gravit. इधर में tiling work दिया हुआ है, left right पे, नीचे में इसमें पत्थर दिया हुआ है. This is an anti-skid area. So this is looking pretty good. This is the closet area. This has a sensor. This will be operational very soon. You've got a good quality door locks. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the house. A huge space. You've got the air conditioning system VRB once again. You've got the wall claret design, and this is your closet. फिलहाल के लिए इसमें सामान रखा हुआ है, but this will be removed once you get the possession. This is the place where you can get the console made. This is again another closet out here. You've got the cabinetries here. ऊपर में भी आपको space दिया हुआ है. Since this is the master bedroom of the house, so you've got ample space out here. On the surface, you've got all Italian. The false ceiling design is pretty much simple. This is a fan by a brand. I mean, it's a good quality brand. This design is little tempered as of now that you see. This will be renovated. Don't be worried. This also has a balcony at the back side. The same balcony with the second bedroom that you'll be sharing in. The same balcony. Nothing has changed. Geyser है, water tap है, drainage area है. आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग का VRV सिस्टम उधर इंस्टॉल होगा. पीछे में पूरा सेफ्टी मेजर्स हैं. You talk about the quality of the slider. This is good. This also has a mesh door. There is a small cabinet made out here as well for the storage area. This is going to be the washroom space of a third bedroom. This is a natural stone used. Vanity looks to be beautiful. A simple Modi guard glass. All sanitary fittings by Gravit. You've got a wall mount seat. Towards my left is the shower area, rain head as it's given on this wall. Ceiling पे एकदम अच्छा लगता है. अपने हिसाब से utilities, अपनी amenities आप बना सकते हैं. This is a glass channel, a proper door. इसको आप खोलेंगे तो ऐसे खुल जाएगा. ये आपका cabinet space है यहाँ पर. इधर में आपका shaft का window दिया. अंदर से आके एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. Show them. This is an exhaust fan given here. So this was the last bedroom of the house. Let's get inside the kitchen area. This is the open kitchen. You've got All over you've got engineered wood on the ceiling. This is a small partition of wood which is given here. Now as we enter inside the kitchen, on the left hand side you will see the home appliances by Whirlpool. This is also a mixed use development done by Faber as well. Chimney and hob, this is by Whirlpool. You'll get an oven out here. Just at the entrance you've got a dishwasher. This is the storage space to keep your stuff. Abhi hamara saman isme rakha hua hai, this will be removed. This is the place where you will wash your utensils और आपका पानी नीचे ड्रेन ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर आपका वॉशर्स वेसल दिए. दिस इज अ गुड क्वालिटी फाइबर शीट. दिस इज अ गुड क्वालिटी काउंटर टॉप गिवन which is installed here. This is gonna be stain free. Don't be worried about the stuff which is kept here, as in like this glass or maybe something else. This is under process. This will get renovated very soon. In the next week's time you'll get the possession. These are the storage spaces that you can see. यहाँ पर में आपका स्टफ़ आएगा जहाँ पर आप अपना यूटेंसिल्स वगैरह, फॉर्क, फॉर्सेप, नाइफ, कड़ची वगैरह रख सकते हो. दिस इज़ द स्पेस टू कीप योर grains, pepper, salt, maybe anything that you want. You'll see here are some cabinets given. ये grooving system है आपका. This is one touch, automatically will get inside. So the space is bifurcated in a very beautiful way. नीचे में आप देखेंगे you've got enough storage out here. So last but not the least, this is a garbage box given out here which will separate the wet waste and the dry waste accordingly. This is the place where you can keep your soap and whatever you want to. इधर में आपका पूरा का पूरा पत्थर दे दिया है. This is all stone work done, natural stone. This is an exhaust fan along with a ventilation window. Time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. This was 215 square yard ultra luxurious builder floor that I've shown you today. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.